Hello, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to talk about my album, the Build a Page album. I made this album several months ago, about 4 months ago, and this is the album that has a concept where you can customize the album to however you like. There's a base page, there's 6 add-ons, and it's put together with the Hinge binding system. And this one here is a sample that I went ahead and I reinforced with Tyvek already. But the reason for my video is that I've gotten a lot of questions whether this album, the Build a Page album, can be used with my Hidden Hinge system. And the answer is yes. Okay. For those of you who are not familiar with my Hidden Hinge system, it's something that I worked on since the hybrid project, and I've developed it into a binding system. It's a fantastic binding system. It is where the page, I mean, just look at how clean it is, how beautifully flush it is to the spine, and there's absolutely no space. I mean, it's beautiful, it's durable, it's a double uh uh double cardstock hinge system. You can reinforce it with Tyvek. It's fantastic. I love the way that it turned out. So back to the Build a Page. I developed a way where you can take your Build a Page pages and use them with the Hidden Hinge system. So my tutorial has, I don't want to put out another tutorial with the entire Build a Page album. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video. So this is alerting everybody that picked up my tutorial for the Build a Page. I'm going to do a video on how to customize your pages so you can make it work back with the Hidden Hinge system. And I'm going to send a link to this video to everybody that purchased the tutorial. All right, guys? Very, very simple. I want to give you a date. All right? This will be done 1 week from today. Today is February 7th. All right? So 1 week from today will be, let's see, I should have been ready for this, but why don't we all look at the calendar on my iPhone? Valentine's Day. I take it back. All right, by the 17th of February, guys, that's the date. The email will go out to everybody that picked this up. It's an easy thing to do. I'll just do a mass email and you will get a link to a YouTube video on how to customize your Build a Page pages so you can go ahead and use them with the Hidden Hinge system. All right, the difference in the binding system is look at this one here and then look at this one here. This one's still fabulous nonetheless, but we've introduced a new binding system, so why not go ahead and customize it? And this video will help you also customize any other of my projects if you want to use the Hidden Hinge binding system. All right, guys, the Build a Page album, the concept behind this album is that you have a base page and you have 6 pages that you can add on to your base page, which allows you to create a multitude of album styles. All right. No album is created equal. It doesn't look the same. I've created 3 or 4 albums using this concept, and there's tons and tons of YouTubers that have showed their Build a Page album and they don't look the same. This one is the only one I have left in my collection because I've given the other ones away. They've been gifts, but it's a fantastic album. Tons of opportunities for photographs and journaling. It has the top loading pocket, the 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 base page loading pockets, side loading pockets, flap outs, flip outs, you can imagine. This book has received a lot of press lately for not so good reasons on some other person's side, but I just wanted to let you all know that I'm definitely customizing most of my albums to go back with the Hidden Hinge system because I love it so much. And per your request, you ask and you shall receive. It doesn't happen all the time, but I'm really excited to show you all this. So look out for your video link. If you purchase the Build a Page album, you will get the video link. If you did not purchase it and you want to learn the Hidden Hinge, a lot of my projects have revolved around the Hidden Hinge system, so you'll be able to pick it up in some of my other tutorials. And if you purchase it now, of course, you will get the video as well. So again, it will be replacing the traditional hinge binding system and using the Hidden Hinge is what I call the Hidden Hinge binding system. Thank you so much. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Oh, by the way, this is a Valentine's Day project that's coming up. It's a paper bag album. It's a super fun, amazing paper bag album. If you guys remember, I was supposed to do a Santa's Letters project for YouTube during the Christmas special. I never got to it, but this is it. Lots of room for photographs. Once again, my thing, 4x6 photographs to put in your album. So this one's coming up, guys. The kit for this project has sold out, and it is shipping out tomorrow. Actually today. It's shipping out today, February 7th. And fun stuff. The tutorial for this one will be available by the end of the week. So look out for this one as well. This one will includes the hidden hinge binding system. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.